In this session, we'll be discussing about the function generator. So function generator, it is an electronic test equipment which is used to generate different types of waveforms over a wide range of frequencies. So some of the waveforms produced by a function generator are sine, square wave, triangular wave, sawtooth, etc. So the frequency may be adjusted from a few hertz to several hundred kilohertz. Next. So this function generator can also produce two waves at a time. For example, when a generator is providing square wave and sawtooth wave at a time, then the square wave is used to provide linear measurements in the audio systems, and simultaneously sawtooth waveform is used to drive the horizontal deflection plates of the CRO in order to provide a visual display. Similarly, if it is generating a triangular wave and sine wave at a time at equal frequencies, such that the zero crossings of both the waveforms are made to occur at the same time, then we'll be having a resultant as linear varying waveform. So this linear varying waveform is used in the measurement of phase difference of two signals. So now these two signals, when they are arriving at their zero crossing at the same time, will be having the phase difference will be 0. So if they are arriving at different times, then we can calculate the phase difference. Next. So this function generator can also provide a capability of phase locking to an external signal source. For example, when one function generator is used to phase lock a second generator signal, and the two output signals can be displaced in phase by one adjustable amount. Suppose we are phase locking one function generator signal to the other function generator signal. Now, if we make changes to one of the signal, the changes will also be applied to the other signal generator signal because they are phase locked. Similarly, we can also phase lock the signal of first generator to the harmonics of the sine wave component of the second signal generator, so that it provides the resultant wave, which is the sum of these two signals, that is the harmonic component and the fundamental frequency of the signal will be produced. Next. So coming to the block diagram of the function generator. So this is the block diagram of the function generator. In this we are having different blocks: frequency control network, upper constant current source, lower constant current source, and we are having an integrator, voltage comparator, multivibrator, resistance, diode shaping circuit. And these two outputs are given to the output amplifier 1 and 2, which are used to produce square wave, sine wave, and the integrator output is used to produce the triangular wave. So here we have, in the last session we have discussed about the AF and RF standard signal generators, right? So in that we are varying the value of the frequency by changing the capacitance or resistor, right? So in this type of the function generator, in this signal generator like function generator, we are changing the frequency by the amount of current driven to the integrator. By the amount of current driven to the integrator is used for controlling the frequency. Next, we have two constant current sources, upper constant current source and lower constant current source, which are used to provide current to the integrator. Upper constant current source provides the forward current, and lower constant current source is used to provide the reverse current to the integrator. So based on the amount of current flowing through the integrator, the capacitor of the integrator charges or discharges, and it produces a triangular output. Next, when this triangular output is given to the voltage comparator multivibrator, it is producing the square wave. When it is given to the resistance diode shaping circuit, it is converting the triangular wave into the sine wave, and it is producing the sine wave. Now we'll see in detail about this block diagram. So generally we are using either LC circuit or RC circuit, which are used for changing the value of the frequency. But in this instrument, it is controlled by the varying the magnitude of current, which is used for driving the integrator. And this instrument can also produce sine, square and triangular waveforms with a frequency range from 0.01 Hz to 100 kHz. Next, the frequency controlled voltage regulates the two current sources. The upper current source supplies constant current to the integrator whose output voltage increases linearly with time. As an increase or decrease in the current increases or decreases the slope of the output voltage, and hence it is used for controlling the frequency. Next, the voltage comparator multivibrator changes its state at a predetermined maximum level of the integrator output voltage. This change cuts off the upper current supply and switches on the lower current supply. Now the lower current source supplies a reverse current to the integrator where the output decreases linearly with time. When the output reaches a predetermined minimum level, voltage comparator again changes its state and switches on the upper current source. This process will be repeated. Now, so when the upper constant current source is supplying some current, the integrated starts charging. When the lower constant current source is supplying the reverse current, it starts discharging. So the output of an integrator will be a triangular waveform whose frequency is determined by the magnitude of the current supplied to the constant current source. The frequency can be determined by the amount of the magnitude of the current flowing through the constant current sources. Next, we have a comparator. The comparator output delivers a square wave voltage at the same frequency. So based on the charging and discharging of the integrator, the states of the comparator also changes. It changes from high to low state or low to high state and produces a square wave voltage of the same frequency. Next, we have a resistance diode network which is used for altering the slope of the triangular wave. As its amplitude changes, it produces the sine wave with less than 1% distortion. So this is about the function generator.